Okay, so what do we got? We got bay scallops, we got shrimp, we've got avocado. Oh, we've got octopus on the bottom.
Go ahead, dive in.
You got to. I'm always told that I got to take small bites.
It's kind of difficult when you have this delicious food. This is what I'm talking about. This is Chula Vista.
You can tell that this is made with love and tradition.
Have you ever had a meal so good that you wanted to thank the chef or the owner of the place? Diana and her family own these 2 food trucks, and I'm about to let her in on a little secret.
I'm going to tell you something. This is honestly the best seafood taco I have ever had.
What do you have that's in it?
We have octopus, scallop, baby scallop, or a perla, right? And chile de árbol is a little spicy. Cheese, tortilla crispy with cheese, cabbage, and a little cream on top.
That is the best seafood taco I have ever had.